Now, the Delhi government has moved the Supreme Court urging more time to convert diesel taxis in the region to CNG mode. We are now being joined by Arun Nayal from New Delhi with more details on that front. Arun, tell us, what has the Apex Court asked the Delhi government to do?
Well, the Supreme Court has asked details from the Delhi government as to roadmap for converting all these diesel and petrol taxis into CNG mode. Remember, on 30th of April, Supreme Court had refused to extend the deadline to convert all cabs in the national capital into CNG mode. And the Supreme Court had said that it does not want to give any further extension because in December it had asked them to convert into CNG mode. And the direction after one extension had ended on 30th of April. Now, the Delhi government earlier in the day moved the Supreme Court seeking more time to convert all these vehicles into CNG mode. The Supreme Court has made it clear that the extension has been given previously. There was around 4-5 month period which the people had, these taxi owners had to convert into CNG mode. They haven't done it so far, but the Supreme Court has asked them on a plan to convert these into CNG mode. Remember, the problem from these taxi owners is that there is no technology to convert into diesel vehicle into CNG system. They are saying that if there is a technology, it's very expensive and they cannot afford it. That is why they need some more time. Now, the Supreme Court has asked details from the Delhi government in this case as to in what phase manner it wants to move out all these diesel vehicles from Delhi roads. Remember, Delhi citizens have been facing problem since this ban on diesel cabs was imposed from May 1 has come into effect, and people have been facing problem finding cabs. Now the Delhi government moved the Supreme Court. What we are given to understand is that later in the day, the representatives from Delhi government as well as central government are meeting with EPCA, which is the pollution controlling authority appointed by the Supreme Court, in order to find a mechanism to phase out these diesel vehicles. But at the moment, the Supreme Court is firm on its decision that this ban was taken after due consideration, and it has to be followed in letter and spirit.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.